my favorite paper airplane, and I'm going to show you how to make it.
What's your name?
Quinn.
Okay.
Carmine.
All right.
And who say Quinn Carmine is my sister, Lily.
Oh, hi, Lily. Does Lily like watching you make paper airplanes?
Yes.
All right, now show us the steps on how you do it.
First, we fold it in half.
Okay, nice. And do you have to make sure the edges line up?
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you tell the viewers all the little tips that you've learned.
Look at how the water's shooting out of the jet.
Wow, good job, Quinn. All right, what's the next step?
Then you open it,
Okay.
and you fold it. Take this corner and this corner, then you fold it to a line.
Any other important tips the other kids need to know
Yes.
when you're making it?
You have to fold the other side the same as that.
Okay.
Then you fold it like this towards you.
Towards you. Okay.
Yep. Then then you do this, and you want this part right here, like.
Slow down just a little bit because some kids might have a hard time following when you're going so fast. You gotta explain things as you're doing them.
And you want to make sure that they're good. Like,
They're flat.
yeah, and
Okay.
then you fold this up. You want this to be big.
You want that triangle to be big?
Yep.
What happens if it's not big enough?
It doesn't fly good. So you want
Flip it over.
Then you flip it over. You fold it in half when you flip it over.
Uh-huh.
Then you do the wings.
Do the wings. Okay.
And do you want to see how it flies?
Is it done?
Yes. And do you want to see how it flies?
Sure.
Nope.
Wow. Good job.
And then we're done.
All right.
Hi,
Oh, but you forgot to tell them, have fun.
Have fun.
Whoa.